Do you know what you're doing after high school? If you said yes, how about after that? If you said no to any of those questions, then you are in the majority of high school students today. More and more students are uncertain or confused about what awaits them post-graduation, and that can be a stressful situation. The good news? There are many options available to you right out of high school. So no matter what your path may be, understanding the opportunities available to you will help you get started on your journey. So what options are there for me? There's universities, the military, community colleges, trade schools, apprenticeships, or going directly into the workforce. Each has its own unique benefits, requirements, and rewards for those who choose that path. Let's take a look at each one and discover which is the best fit for you. Remember, you're just starting out on this journey, and your opinions and decisions may change, so don't lock yourself into just one focus. I mean, would you wear just one outfit for the rest of your days? Having options means having the power to choose. Some of you may decide to go to a 4-year university. They offer bachelor's degree programs that provide a broad and in-depth education in various academic disciplines. Students can choose from a wide range of majors such as sciences, humanities, social sciences, engineering, business, and more. Universities often offer a vibrant campus life, research opportunities, and a diverse community of students and faculty. But they also come with a price tag. The average cost of attending a 4-year university? Over $100,000 by the time you're done. Then there's the military. The military is a great choice for students not quite sure what they want to do, but who want to belong to something bigger than themselves. They offer immediate work and pay while gaining experience, and the opportunity to travel, tuition assistance, job training, and great benefits that can last a lifetime. The military provides a stable environment for individuals to grow and experience the world outside of their comfort zones. But the job can be very demanding. You're away from home and loved ones, you're in a strict, regimented environment, and it's a huge commitment that you're not able to walk away from. Students who want the college experience but are not ready to leave home yet may choose community colleges. These institutions provide students with a lower cost option to get a degree and offer training programs that are not covered at the 4-year universities. They provide individuals with the opportunity to stay at home, work full or part-time jobs, and provide support to their families. What community colleges don't provide is a campus life atmosphere, and they come with a price tag of around $20,000 when you leave. So what if you decide to enter straight into the workforce? Some jobs require training before you apply, while some provide the training as you earn. Here are some options that are available for those entering this career path. Some jobs require prior training before you can apply for a position. For those individuals looking for a career in these fields, there are trade and technical schools. Trade schools or technical schools offer specialized training programs that focus on developing practical skills for specific careers or trades. These programs can range from several months to 2 years, depending on the field of study. Trade schools are an excellent choice for individuals who want to enter the workforce quickly and gain practical skills in areas such as automotive technology, culinary arts, cosmetology, HVAC, and more. The schedules are demanding and provide little time outside of the classroom. So what if school is not for you? Unfortunately, if you want to make more money, then there will always be classroom time. The good news is there are jobs that pay you to work and go to school. Pre-apprenticeships and apprenticeships are training programs that combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction. They are typically associated with skilled trades and crafts, such as carpentry, plumbing, electrical work, and manufacturing. You get paid while on the job and in the classroom. Pre-apprenticeships are short-term programs designed to prepare individuals for entry into an apprenticeship program. They provide foundational skills and knowledge related to the trade, making candidates more competitive when applying for apprenticeships. Apprenticeships are long-term, structured training programs that allow individuals to work under the guidance of experienced professionals in their chosen field. Apprentices receive paid, on-the-job training while completing classroom instruction, and upon completion, they often receive a certification or journeyman status, qualifying them to work independently. And then there are those individuals who just want to get working. This can be a valuable opportunity for individuals to enter the workforce immediately without the need for a college degree. In certain career paths, practical skills and on-the-job experience hold greater significance than formal education. By opting for direct entry, individuals can start pursuing their passions and interests from an early age, gaining real-world experience and professional growth. Remember, no matter what path you choose, there are many options to earn a living and grow as an individual. Furthering your education and earning a certification can increase your skill set and the amount of money you're able to earn. More experience and knowledge in a particular area gives you more opportunity to grow towards a promising future and a great career.